And welcome back to the loft. Today I've just weaned off my first rounders, and yeah, this is what we've got. We got well, the majority of these pigeons are all Jan Ardens, and we've also got a few Gabby van der Bailey pigeons in here. So I'm quite chuffed with these, to be honest. They've come on really well. So I'm going to just move them in now, in with the others. That was when I weaned off yesterday. He was feeling a bit sorry for himself, but he's come on today, so he's not looking too bad. So let's move them. Let's move these over then. Come on in. And then they can go into here now. And come on in, boys. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Come on in. I like putting that down in the corner, you know, the straw for the birds. I put some wood shavings underneath, but they'll all get up together now and should keep themselves nice and warm for tonight. So here's, come on in, boys. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, so yeah, some nice team of young ones here. Some birds that are a little bit younger that will be going to the one loft race. So let's get these over, and then we can have a bit of a better view at them. Like, come on in, boys. It's getting on now, so let's hope we can settle them down pretty quick tonight. Like. How to get hold of these now, so like I said, this is what we got. Come on, bit of a shorty season, I can't get in to get them, but yeah, well, this is what we got. Look, this so nice checkers, and most of my birds this year have been either dark checkers and blues, so I'm going to let them get a bit of rub down them now, and then hopefully we can get them in, settled down. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get them with a stick. So that's what I usually get them into, like, in it, you know. So yeah, a fine little team. So we should have about 20 odd in here now. Come on in, boy. Come on, come on, come on, come on, boy. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There the boy. There the boy. There we go. Get in there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we are. There's a couple more to come, and then that's it. They should be all okay. I'll try and dip their heads tonight before I go home. Like so. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, boy. I'll get hold of them before. Come on, come on, come on, come on. As you said, creatures of habit, and they'll follow each other. So come on, come on, come on, come on, boy. Get used to the stick. Ah, the boy. There we go. That's it. So one left, and that's it then. on then, boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we are. There we are, so we can have a bit of a better look at them now. And like I said,